So guys, I decided not to do a voiceover this video for some reason. I just thought it works well by itself, but I need to show you what the mic is actually capable of. And as you can tell, the audio is damn clear. It's really good audio, much better than the onboard mic, which you can hear now. So it's a great recorder. It's a great for audio. Amazing. If you want really high quality, clear audio, this thing is really good. That's all I have to say.